Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best pizza ovens that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Ooni Koda 12 Pizza Oven. This sleek black oven is gas-powered, making it the perfect partner to your gas grill. It can even roast meat, fish, and vegetables, so you might actually find that you'll use your grill less. But if pizza is your primary focus, you'll love this oven. Just activate the built-in gas ignition to get those flames going and adjust the dial for the proper cooking heat. Our team loved how evenly the oven baked pizza, though you'll have to turn the crust every 20 seconds or so or it will burn. Once you get the knack of rotating your pizza, though, you won't be calling your neighborhood place as often, or maybe at all. The Ooni Koda 12 does take slightly longer than the other ovens tested to cook, but you won't mind at all once you see and taste the crisp crust. Our team was pleased with the whole wheat pizza, too. The cheese melted nicely and the crust was crispy and puffed up with some good char marks. Moving on at number 4, we have the Ooni Koda 16 Pizza Oven. We absolutely love the Ooni Koda 16 Pizza Oven, but we're ranking it as runner-up due to the high price. From the moment we pulled it out of the box, all you had to do was open the legs and it was set up, completely user-friendly. It took about 25 minutes to reach the set temperature, which was average compared to the other models we tested. Once hot, we cooked several pizzas including a supreme and a whole wheat, which both cooked in 2 minutes or less. The pizzas had a nice crisp bottom, melted cheese, and evenly cooked toppings. The only hiccup was part of the outer crust of the whole wheat pizza was a little burnt because it got too close to the flames. We noticed that this model has a slightly uneven heat distribution which could account for the slight burn. At number 3, we have the Cuisinart 3-in-1 Pizza Oven. Our team had rave reviews for the Cuisinart 3-in-1 Pizza Oven, as the performance was consistent across all compatible pizzas, i.e. non-frozen. Fully functional as a pizza oven, griddle and grill all in one, it's not hard to see why this was a top contender. The crusts were a golden brown with some charred spots and the cheese melted beautifully across all of the tests. One tester made a note of the gorgeous puffy crust and appreciated the minimal babysitting that this easy-to-use machine required. You simply pop your pizza in, wait for the allotted time to cook, and you'll have the perfect pie. At number 2, we have the Presto Pizzazz Plus Rotating Oven. Keybox claims frozen pizza will be ready in 22 minutes, but our team kept it cooking for 24 minutes to ensure the toppings came out crispy. While the pepperoni did crisp up nicely, the crust itself was cooked unevenly. We found some spots were nice and brown while others remained light. The cheese melted well, but there were no golden brown spots. The Presto Pizzazz Plus features both upper and lower racks that shift as the pizza cooks. While the pizza does get heated from the bottom and the top, the oven takes much longer to heat up than other models tested. The testers found that the direct heat only comes from above when the pizza rotates under the heating element, resulting in an unevenly cooked pizza. And finally at number 1, we have the Only Fire Pizza Oven Kit. Our team was pleased to find that the bottom of the crust came out a beautiful, crispy brown with this oven. The sides were a bit light, but they did puff up nicely and even had some charred spots like you'd find at a restaurant. A whole wheat pizza came out darker than traditional crust, which had a chewy center and crisp and puffy exterior. The pizza took 9 minutes to cook with the Only Fire Kit, which is longer than the other outdoor pizza oven models tested. But we thought the crisp crust and even cooking job was well worth the wait. The pizza stone holds heat well, and we didn't have to turn the pizza as frequently as you do with others. The cheese melted beautifully, but there were no golden brown spots.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.